Oh, gosh. Oh. Hey, babe. How are you today, sweetheart?
Hey, sweetie.
Oh, I tell you, I had a rough day today. I had to do my job and Jeff's job. Oh,
Tyrique.
yeah.
I thought you said you paid this bill.
What bill is that, sweetheart?
The electric bill?
Is that last month's bill?
You know exactly what bill it is. You said you were gonna pay it and bring me back the receipt.
Listen, I'll pay it, but I really want this motorcycle. Listen, we're talking about big engines, black pipes, chrome rims, and lights that can see down the road.
Well, at least the motorcycle has lights. Because you couldn't use it to see this bill.
Sweetheart, look, I've been wanting this motorcycle for a long time. You know that.
Look, sweetie, there are wants and there are needs.
I know.
You don't need the motorcycle. We need these lights.
Okay. I'll pay the bill.
Can you please make sure that you pay it this time?
I'll pay it.
Thank you.
Okay.